Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take 3 raised to power 6 to the left hand side. As we have x minus 2 raised to power 6 minus 3 raised to power 6 equals to 0 here. As this here, we can write this as x minus 2 all raised to power 3, then all raised to power 2. As 2 times 3 give us 6 minus also we have 3 raised to power 3, then all raised to power 2 equals to 0 here. Then this follows when we have a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into brackets, open brackets, a minus b. This here, a standing as x minus 2 all raised to power 3, and b standing as 3 raised to power 3. Then what we have here becomes x minus 2 all raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 into brackets, also open brackets, x minus 2 all raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 close brackets equals to 0 here. Then we have two possible cases here. First one, x minus 2 all raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 equals to 0. Or we have x minus 2 all raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 equals to 0 here. Then, solving from the first case here, we have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3. This is the same thing as a plus b into brackets, open brackets, a square minus ab plus b square. This, what we have here becomes x minus 2 plus 3 into brackets, open brackets, x minus 2 all square minus 3 times x minus 2 then plus 3 square close brackets equals to 0 here. And here minus 2 plus 3 that's plus 1, x plus 1 here into brackets, open brackets. The expansion here gives us x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3, open this bracket, have minus 3x plus 6 and plus 9 close brackets equals to 0 here. Also, this becomes x plus 1 into brackets, open brackets, x square minus 4x minus 3x, we have minus 7x, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 4, that's plus 19, close bracket equals to 0 here. Also, we have two possible cases here. First one, x plus 1 equals to 0, or we have x squared minus 7x plus 19 equals to 0 here. That is, solving on this side, we have x equals to minus 1, which is a real solution here. Here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c equals to 19. Applying a quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here we have x equals to minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 19 all over 2 times 1. This here we have x equals to minus times minus give us plus. That's 7 plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared, that's 49 minus 4 times 1 times 19 give us 76 all over 2 here. That is, next here we have x equals to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 76 or minus 27 all over 2. Then Here we have x equals to 7 plus or minus square root of 20 minus 27 can be written as 9 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. When we break this down, root 9, that's 3. We take it down. We have x equals to 7 plus or minus 3. We have root 3 left. Then root minus 1, that's I. Then over 2. So this here we have two complex solutions here. Then, solving from the second case here, this also follows when we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, which is the same thing as a minus b into brackets, open bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. This here, all we have becomes x minus 2 minus 3 into brackets, then open bracket, x minus 2 all squared plus 3 times x minus 2 plus 3 squared close bracket equals to 0 here. And here minus 2 minus 3, that's minus 5. We have x minus 5 into brackets, open bracket. Expansion here gives us x squared minus 4x plus 4. And 3 open this bracket, you have plus 3x minus 6 plus 9 close bracket equals to 0 here. Also, this becomes x minus 5 into bracket, open bracket, x squared minus 4x plus 3x equals minus x. Then 9 minus 6, that's 3 plus 4, that's plus 7 close bracket equals to 0 here. Also, we have two possible cases. First one, x minus 5 equals to 0. So we have x squared minus x plus 7 equals to 0 here. Solving on this side, we have x equals to 5, which is a real solution here. Then here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, and c equals to 7. Also, applying the quadratic formula, we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7 all over 2 times 1. This we have x equals to minus times minus plus. We have 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square is 1, then minus 4 times 1 times 7 is 28 all over 2, which is same thing as x equals to that's 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 28, that's minus 27 all over 2. This we can rewrite this and we have x equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 9 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. When we separate this root 9, that's 3, we have x equals to 1 plus or minus 3. Then we have root 3. Root minus 1 is I over 2. Also here we have two complex solutions here. And therefore, altogether here we have 6 solutions in this problem. 2 real solutions here, 2 complex solutions here, and also 2 complex solutions here. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.